An object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a concave lens having focal length. So now concave lens having focal length is minus 30 centimeter. The distance of an object from the lens u is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Find the position of an image. So v that we have to find. Formula for lens 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So minus 1 upon v subject. So 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f plus 1 upon u. 1 upon v is equal to minus 1 upon 30 minus 1 upon 20. So v is equal to minus common 600 upon 50. So 600 upon 50, that is simple 12. So v is equal to minus 12 centimeter. So that is the position of an image, v minus 12. Now second question, the image of an object formed by a convex lens is real, inverted and of the same size as the image. So see m is equal to, here real, that's why minus 1, and object distance u is equal to minus 40 centimeter. Find the object distance and power of lens. So the image, so image distance is given. So here v is equal to 40 centimeter, right? So magnification of lens v by u is equal to minus 1. So v is 40, so 40 is equal to minus u, u is equal to minus 40 centimeter. So that is u, that is object distance now. And now power of lens p is equal to, find power of lens we have to find 1 upon f. So 1 upon f formula is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So 1 upon v, that is 1 upon minus 40 minus 1 upon u, that is 1 upon v is plus 40 and 1 upon u, that is minus become plus, so 1 upon again 40, so is equal to 2 upon 40, so 1 upon 20. So p is equal to 1 upon 20, right? That is in centimeter. Now for first we have to convert this into meter, right? So p is equal 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon 20. So centimeter to meter. So centimeter to meter we have to divide by. So f is equal to, here 20 centimeter we found, right, upon 100. So that will be 0.2. So f is equal to 0.2. Now power is equal to 1 upon f, that is 0.2. So 0.2, right, that means 2 upon 10. So 10 upon 2, 5 diopter. So our power is 5 diopter. Now third question, the image obtained with a convex lens is erect and its length is 4 times the length of the object. So length of the object, so length of image hi is equal to 4 times ho. If the focal length f is equal to 20 centimeter, because of convex lens it is positive and magnification is also positive. Calculate object distance u and image distance v. So we have m is equal to 4 and f. So magnification v is equal to m is equal to v by u. So v by u I can write 4 here. So v is equal to 4 into u, right? Now 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So 1 upon 4u minus 1 upon u. So now f value we have, right? So f is equal to that formula 4 minus 4 into u square upon u 4u minus u, so that is 3u. right? First multiplication and then summation. So 1 u gets cancelled out. So now u is equal to minus 3f upon 4. So minus 3 into f, that is 20. So minus 60 upon 4. So 4 15s. So u is equal to minus 15 centimeter. So that is object distance. Now image distance. So v is equal to 4 times into u. So that means 60 centimeter. So u is equal to minus 15 centimeter and v is equal to minus 60 centimeter. So that is object distance and image distance respectively.